Greetings. My name is Sai Dhanush from BSRKV Sanikpuri. Today I'm here to walk you through our project EcoSqueeze from orchid to glass, which focuses on concentration and clarification of fruit juices. As we can see in the video, right now watermelon juice is being used as our test subject for, in this case, concentration. We find watermelon squashes at local supermarkets, and we often tend to think that it is a heavy industry and it takes a lot of work to make concentrate or squash. However, at the end of our demonstration, you will come to realize that making squash or concentrate out of fruit juices is just as easy as filtering water like your RO system does at home, except it's much cheaper and actually a lot more eco friendly. Firstly, we come to see that the watermelon juice in the glass beaker here goes through a white structure, almost a candle looking structure. This structure is lined on the inside with several layers of thick nanomembrane that don't allow impurities and components such as fructose and sucrose to pass through it. The molecular size of these components is higher than that of the membrane, which stops them. Further antibacterial action is also pursued. Any other impurities that do manage to escape through the nanomembrane, however, are most indefinitely killed in the UV lamp that it goes through after filtration. The UV lamp sends through radiation which kills 99% of bacteria present in the filtrate, and upon bacterial filtration, the fluid re-undergoes the same process over and over again until the concentrate is collected in the glass beaker above, and whatever liquid is left behind, that is the clear filtrate slash refuse, is collected in the glass beaker that is placed below. As this process takes place over and over again, very clear results are obtained. In the beaker above, we find a concentrate, very squash-like, concentrated, and almost jelly to the texture. And while in the beaker below, we find a clear, slightly denser than water liquid that is filled with the aroma of the juice we're clarifying or concentrating. This process has a lot of pros over conventional evaporation, because it does not use thermal energy, making it a less carbon emitting process. It preserves nutrients, which is very rare to see in commercial fruit products. It disinfects right then and there, which means that added preservatives can be avoided to a very large extent during packaging. Thanks to its advanced filtration, it is also diabetic friendly, as it removes a lot of the sugars that diabetics are worried of. The materials used are very simple and can even be constructed at home if desired, as it only contains an iron external holding structure, a nanofilter candle, a gauge, a small booster pump, some plastic tubes, along with a collecting beaker and a UV lamp. Hence, I recommend we start taking responsibility for our environment and step up to use processes like this instead of conventional evaporation to conserve our environment and lessen our burden to the world and our carbon footprint to the atmosphere. Thank you so much for listening.